Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another ATZEB unboxing. It's a USB Type-C mail to USB 3.0 4-port USB hub. Rub-a-dub-dub. Let's open it inside. Check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this in no time. But hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it through this week. Definitely got the flu now. So I'm definitely going to take it easy this weekend. And recharge. Here we go. Look at this little guy. We got the Velcro. You can always tie this to something. Let it hang. We got the 4. 1, 2, 3. Where's? Oh, 4. Down at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 USBs. Just plug this into your Macs, your Pros, pretty much everything. Upload your stuff really quick. At a low cost, you can't beat it. This will be a great stocking stuffer. Like I said, for anyone in your tech family to check out. And you guys can get them cheap. All you gotta do is click the link and see what other goodies they have. So if this doesn't seem your taste, but it's something else like the other video, that would be listed down below. And that's about it, YouTubers. You guys have a great weekend. Be safe out there, and I'll probably see you guys later on.